96,000 WY tablets worth over rupees 5 crore seized from a truck in Manja. Khonglokpet area public alleges absolute neglect by authority. Deopani constituency ASDC team visits Bornirja, reviews job card work sites. Good morning viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You are with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a major success for the state police, Manja police on Thursday, 96,000 tablets were seized during a routine check from a truck originating from Manipur. The search team was led by Manja OC Jitumoni Deka. The seized tablets was identified as World Is Yours, or commonly known as WY methamphetamine tablets, was estimated to be worth around rupees 5 crore in international market, were hidden inside the toolbox of a 12-wheelers truck with a registration plate NL07 AA201, which originated from Manipur and was headed towards Guwahati when it was intercepted at Manja by the police. In this connection, a man identified as Imran Khan, resident of Kokta village under Moirang police station, Bishnupur district of Manipur, was immediately arrested. On receiving the information, DSP Nahid Karishma also reached the spot to oversee the case.
আজি যেটা নরমাল নাকা চেকিং করেছে আমার ওসি মানজা নিজে আসলে নরমাল নাকা চেকিং মানে ট্রাকবিলাক রখোৱা হৈছে ট্রাকবিলাক 3-4খন মান ট্রাক ৰখিছে আৰু তেতিয়া এই যখন আমাৰ ট্রাক মানে হেখনৰ ওচৰত পাওতে ড্ৰাইভাৰটো খুবুতে মেলে দি অকমান মানে নাৰ্ভাস কৰা বা হেৰি কৰা নিচিনা হ'ল তাৰপিছত আমি ট্ৰাকখন ভালকে সিট চাইছো তাৰপিছত ড্ৰাইভাৰৰ সিটৰ ওপৰত এটা কেবিন বনোৱা কেবিনটো ভালকে হেৰিছো সাথে মানে বস্তা বগা বস্তা এটা ঘুমোৱা সিমেন্টৰ বস্তা টাইপৰ বস্তা এটা মানে বস্তু ঘুমোৱা হেতু খুলি পেলে চাওতে ভালকে খুলি পেলে চাওতে আমি পাইছো এনেকুৱা সৰু সৰু মানে প্যাকেট কলা তাৰ মানে আপোনাৰ গ্ৰেপছৰ সিগনেচাৰ লোগো এটা হৈছে এটা প্যাকেট খুলি চাওতে পাইছো এটা পাৰ প্যাকেটত আপোনাৰ 200 মান সৰু সৰু অৰেঞ্জ কালাৰ ট্যাবলেট আছে পাৰ অৰেঞ্জ ট্যাবলেটত WY বুলি এটা মাৰ্কিং আছে
Meanwhile, NDPS Act case number 29-2070 was registered at Manja police station here on Thursday. News X report, Karbi Anglong Live. Due to repeated disturbances by the wild jumbos, the people of Mentiso, Bonglong Terang, Lokpo Killing and Langbirik Rongpi villages have not been able to cultivate paddy for the last 5 years. These villages were established in around 1951 and over 134 families of these villages expressed their hardships and sufferings and repeated destructions wrought by the wild jumbos. Villagers say that 5 years back, they never saw elephants coming to their village. Mohori Tiso, a resident of Man Tiso village, told Karbi Anglong Live that his 14 bighas of cultivable land had been left unplowed for the last 5 years for the fear of the crops being damaged by the wild jumbos. Villagers say that they used to live happily with the crops they cultivated, but now they are forced to survive with the rice they receive, ration card, and with the little money they get from selling vegetables in the nearby Dimapur market. Further, the villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that in 2017 they approached the Bokajan Range office seeking help, but they did not receive any response from them. Thus, they have once again appealed the authority to take steps to look into their problems as their source of livelihood depends on cultivation of crops. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. People of Chai Ang Teron village in Phonglokpet under Langper MSC constituency have been ignored by the government even after 67 years of its establishment. Our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent visited village to know the ground report of the state of backwardness of the village. Villagers have expressed their dissatisfaction with the way they have been treated by the authority over the last 67 years. The son of the village had been told that Chai Ang Teron village was established during the days of his grandfather way back in 1953. However, even after decades of its existence, they have received very little help from the government. Their biggest issues are proper roads and drinking water facility, for which they have been totally deprived of and has been demanding from a very long time, but have not been fulfilled till date. Maximum of the families have not received the IAY and PMAY houses, and even those who had received are yet to see the completion of their house. Several of the adults have job cards, but they do not get work, and the ration cards in their possessions are worthless as they have not received ration.
Batai ko ano ni nang li poisa ko lai tang so hem so men pe
batai hini ne li ulai long
batai si bang ke
so hi si kita
so hi pon mat ka hai bang chini dun de da ka an to lai ni la bang komal ni la poisa nang li pidung koma bang ku phan ni
bai sing de la
la ke ko nam ni la
dak mili tum lo
si mala gangura lo ni ga so komal lo Asi nili tum dak oh ni fusar tum ke bang cheng ke 1953 established bang ke gonta non tuan piniar ni an ke 63 years le alo 67 le alo ke non puta nili tum toar long de sarkar bana kira ba jata long de nili futung ke bang cheng ke non an ke ringan trokera toksilo kulote ni tum non sarkar bana kira pi son long de la ni tum gang brai hin pen long de
Angli tuma rong sarkar pen ring pungkuan senang itu mana pig lo.
Nili ke la pine ring ki pipu bang arjunong le pela amina atangka pen sikachi hoda sikachi dunong nili mina matalo ring bang te abeng bang putih di cuhang dun lo oh punu nang pitha biar le behem ni punu hai. Masih nang pilo oh kah bahara bang cikini bukuli anci ana mo biar le ring abe bang curong dun lo entah mereka cut bang ini.
Angli PC pudun po.
Nili hem hitang te ajoy ne bangke nili mitang si cikem lo amisri ke sita me la so amisri bangke nili mitang lo sita la so akorok bang pite ajoy ne si pa tang ne khe lo poisa na bi bete ke pulo no patang po inhawe non buda.
The people here have vehemently criticized the authority and elected representative for their ignorance, disregard and neglect, and have said that if the politicians and leaders keep neglecting, they will have to take steps to prevent the politicians from entering the village during elections time. Welson Terang from Volongkomaji, Harsing Ingti from Havarkihap, and Dirchona Rongpi from Phuloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Two bikers sustained minor injuries when a car hit them before they ramped into roadside trees near Eastern Karbi Anglong College Gate along NH 39 under Bokajan Police Station around 1 p.m. on Thursday afternoon. According to locals, accident occurred when the driver of the car with the registration plate NL07H1066 heading towards Silonijan from Khatkati lost control when a motorcycle appeared suddenly before the car rammed into nearby trees of the heating dam. Local people rushed to pick up the two riders and took them to nearby Bokajan Community Health Center. Earlier in another incident, one Bolero pickup with a registration plate AS12 BC3105 rammed into tree at Hanjang Langso. The Bolero was moving toward Dimapur from Rangajand when they met with the incident under the same police station around 9 a.m. on Thursday. Onlookers say that the accident occurred due to overspeeding and reckless driving. Luckily, no one was hurt in the incident. Later, Bokajan police reached the spot and performed all the formalities. Ananderang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. The annual general meeting of Jaipong Large Size Multipurpose Cooperative Society was held on Thursday. The meeting was led by Jaipong LEMS Chairman Tengkur Singh Lerang. Present in the meeting included Secretary Prahalad Togbi, Vice Chairman Kangbura Terang, Ex-Chairman Ron Singh Teron, Rajan Ingti Bida Teron, Babu Kro and shareholders. The members paid their homage to the departed members before commencing the meeting, during which several matters including losses, profits and expenditures of the society for the year 2020 and 2021 was presented. During the meeting, Secretary Prahalad Togbi informed that the concerned department have not yet issued any order or notification for application of new ration card. During the meeting, the society also distributed masks to its members, and social distance as per guidelines issued by the government was also strictly maintained during the meeting. Sarpangri Ingti from Langhin for Karbeng Long Live. After receiving news about alleged anomalies in the work sanctioned under MGNREGA, the ASDC team from Deobani constituency had visited Bornirja to see the ground reality of the work. The team visited number 2 Holokhoa Bornirja village to see the prevailing condition of the Nomita Pole fishery tank construction work sanctioned in 2018 and 2019 under MGNREGA. According to inquiries from the local people, the work has been left incomplete. They further revealed that not single local job card holders got the opportunity to work in the digging of the pond, as the contractor used excavator instead of engaging laborers. The ASDC team had pointed out that they requested the officials from the BDO's office to accompany them in the inspection, but they declined their request. Following this, the regional party alleged that the Gram Sevak, BDO as well as the engineers have also failed to supervise the work and were directly or indirectly linked with the anomaly practiced by the contractor. The party has condemned the contractor for using excavator which have deprived the local job card holders from their rights to work.
Block development ahin pen ki pajir pon stima mokha farm pon po si langketeng na songe patik do na si arong amen ke pon Nomita pol land tuino holuka po tamela dani tung banglo ada adar yela long 2 lakhs pusida panga akoni tung katoga alu pen sini tung visit puri lo akam jang thang da be thang na theklong le.
Subhas Terang from Langchithing, Karbeng Long Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbeng Long Live. Stay safe.